Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
There are plenty of good reasons to add apricots to your diet. This delicious fruit is not only sweet and juicy, but it also packs a powerful nutritional punch. Apricots are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as fiber. They also contain beta-carotene, which is an antioxidant that can help protect cells from harm. Studies have proven eating apricots may help cut down the risk of some chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. Skipping breakfast is a bad habit that can have negative consequences for your health. Good health requires that we eat breakfast every day, as it helps to jumpstart our metabolism and provides the energy we need to get by means of the day. When we skip breakfast, we are more likely to make unhealthy choices later in the day and are more likely to experience fatigue and low energy levels. Cooking with friends can be good for your health. There are many benefits to cooking with friends, including the fact that you can bond with them while doing something healthy. Cooking also allows you to try new foods and learn new recipes. Plus, it can be a great way to relax and have fun. So next time you're looking for something to do with your friends, consider getting together for a healthy cooking session. It could be good for your mind, body, and soul. Sleep apnea is a persistent sleep disorder that can have serious consequences for your health. If you snore loudly or wake up frequently in the course of the night, you may have sleep apnea. This quality can cause you to stop breathing for short periods of time through sleep.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.